Your IRA can invest and own crypto as an asset, but it takes what's called a crypto IRA, and that's what we do here at Directed IRA. Now, this is two critical components. First, it's an IRA account at our company, Directed IRA. And second, it's an exchange account where you can buy and sell crypto with Gemini on the Gemini exchange platform. Now, we call it a crypto IRA, but this could be a Roth IRA, an HSA, a traditional IRA, a solo 401k. All of those account types are available with a crypto IRA. I'm just saying that generically here to refer to the full spectrum where you're using a tax-advantaged account to invest and own cryptocurrency as the investment asset. Whether that's Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, there's 60 different cryptocurrencies you can invest in using a crypto IRA. Now, the first step, you're going to open up your IRA account on the Directed IRA website. Now, this could be a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA, it could be a solo 401k, an HSA, or even an education savings account, okay? I'm just saying an IRA account here in general. You're going to open up the account at directedira.com. You then need to fund the account. This could be a new contribution you're putting in for the year. This could be a transfer from maybe a brokerage IRA or a Roth IRA or an old employer 401k moving over into the IRA at Directed IRA. Once we have your account open and funded at Directed IRA, we will then invest the money into your trading account at Gemini. Now, the owner of that trading account is not you. It's your designated IRA account. So for example, if you're using a Roth IRA, you're going to open up a Roth IRA at Directed IRA. We're going to transfer over money maybe from your brokerage Roth IRA, or maybe it's a new contribution going into your Roth IRA at Directed IRA. Then we are going to send the money over to Gemini, and we will open up a Gemini exchange account owned by your Roth IRA at Directed IRA. And we handle this process for you. We have a relationship with Gemini. Then you receive login instructions at Gemini, and you will log into Gemini where you have your own account to go and trade cryptocurrency. You're in control of the investments, the crypto you want to buy, when you want to sell, and when you want to hold. The critical component here is you don't own it and it's not going on your tax return. In this example, your Roth IRA owns it, and all the gains you're making are not subject to tax, and all the profits on the way out later in retirement come out entirely tax-free. Now, when you're using the Gemini platform and this exchange account that is linked to your Roth IRA, as I've explained in this example, I want to make sure you understand a few things. First of all, you don't own that Gemini exchange account. Your Roth IRA does. So you don't put money into it, nor do you take money out of it. It's actually locked down and restricted for that. Second, you need to make sure you're using the active trader feature at Gemini. If you're using their regular mobile or desktop features, you will be on the retail channel and you will be paying retail fees. We have a special discounted fee arrangement for our customers and our accounts when you're using the active trader platform. So make sure you're logged in and using active trader when buying and selling with Gemini. Now, the fee for the crypto IRA, it's a $295 annual fee to us and then a 0.5% trade fee. And that's portioned out between what Gemini's charging, what we will charge you at Directed IRA. But at the end of the day, you'll be paying $295 annually and a 0.5% or 50 basis points when you buy or sell using the Gemini exchange platform. That is a significant discount from their retail pricing and what you'll see from other crypto IRA providers. Now, you can do this entire process online without talking to anyone at our office. You can do it online at Directed IRA to get the account open and funded. We, of course, send you the login instructions and your information to create the account at Gemini, which will be owned by your Roth IRA. We already established that, but you've got to generate your own login. You can do that entirely online. We'd also love to help you if you have any questions along the way. You can book a call with our team from account opening, funding, and then investing with Gemini. Now, remember, your account is self-directed, so you're the one making decisions on what to invest and are managing the account. But please know we are here to help you take control of your retirement.